burn, extreme unrest and uncertainty, because as we speak, there may be people who call this a people's movement and that it was against a dictator. But these are the visuals coming in. What was once unthinkable in Bangladesh? Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, known as the founder of Bangladesh, the founding father of Bangladesh, in 1971 war of independence. He was above political ideologies, political differences. Today, his statue was not only brought down, but brought down brutally. Protesters stood on the statue, broke it when they could not, they decided to pull it. I think what I remember from a visual similar, many years ago, remember, Saddam Hussein's statue was in a similar fashion taken down. Mujibur Rahman to Bangladesh would be possibly what we can say was Mahatma Gandhi for India. So imagine if that is the extent of what is unfolding here, which means the big question is what happens here on, even if this is a people's movement. Ashutosh Mishra is joining me for the latest on that. Ashutosh, you've reported from our neighbor nation of Sri Lanka when there was uncertainty. Now there's also Bangladesh coming to it. What are you picking up about the situation on the ground right now? Because she's here, is what we are told. Prime Minister Modi and Sheikh Hasina have been allies and friends. She reached out, got at least a temporary relief. How is India going to go ahead?
Well, ever since the liberation of Bangladesh, the India and Bangladesh have been a very close ally, and there is the world knows that the role of India that played for the freedom of Bangladesh when it was East Pakistan. And clearly what we see today, that's exactly why the reason why Sheikh Hasina chose to first land in India and then probably take the next step.
Yes.
You rightly said what had happened in Sri Lanka, and interestingly it was also the month of August. Just 2 years ago, in Sri Lanka, there was also a revolution, a movement against the then government, and it was only the local factors, the domestic factors that aggravated the entire scenario. There were, the violence. Similarly, what you see in Dhaka, the protesters stormed out the President's house. The protesters were all in the Prime Minister house. Things were being stolen. They were taking outside sofa, piano, music system, everything. So I remember all those images, and it is exactly comparing these images from Dhaka to Bangladesh. But overnight things also change, because now the students which are demanding that let Muhammad Yunus, who is a noble literate, he should play a leading role in the new government, and other than him, no other government will be acceptable. And you heard Sheikh Hasina clearly saying in that terms, when there is no elected government, that would lead literally to a chaos. In Sri Lanka, it sorted out when all political parties came together and decided to let's have a president and give it some time. And right after Mahinda Rajapaksa fled Sri Lanka, things were started sorting out. Clearly, after Sheikh Hasina fled, we'll have to see whether the things are coming to control, because Army announced that from this morning all the schools, academic institutions, college, shops, everything will gonna be open.
Okay.
But will that stop the violence? Because ultimately the political parties which are being targeted, especially the Awami League, last night multiple members, including the Home Minister's house, were torched, several temples were attacked. But what we're also seeing, the Chhatra Shibir organization, which is also a key union participating in this movement, also announced midnight all their volunteers do reach to all the temples, not only Hindus but all the minorities, protect them. And since this morning I'm tracking those images, that they are sharing images how after one ISKCON temple was set on fire, there were another temples which are being guarded and protected. Even armed forces are being deployed. So what has happened in Bangladesh, clearly very unfortunate, and strategically if you see the terms of what
and also Ashutosh,
India,
I think it will have to have a next step very soon, because it may be a people's power, people's movement, but it will have to be channelized by a leader. Otherwise, it can turn into, as we are looking at some locations, into a mob violence as well, and that will not do good to anyone. Ashutosh, please keep tracking, because the fact is, Bangladesh's Prime Minister till about 2 days ago is today had to flee and has taken shelter, at least temporary relief, in India. But what happens here on? We have big news coming in. I'm leaving you with these visuals. Without a doubt, this is not about Bangladesh or another nation. This is a border nation. We share history, culture and borders with the country here.